In the merry month of June, first from home I started, left the girls at June, most sad and broken, had saluted father dear, kissed me darling mother, drank a pint of beer, grief and tears, this mother 'tis off to reap the corn and leaf where I was born, cutting stout like font the banished ghosts and goblins, brand new pair of blokes, rattle on the box, fighting all the dogs on the rocky road to Dublin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hump the hare and turn her down the rocky road and all the way to Dublin, Macklefandia. Well, from there I got away, me spirit never failing, landed on the Cahill as the ship was sailing, captain at me roared, no room a wee when we jumped aboard, cabin found for Paddy down among the pigs, played some hearty jigs, danced some hearty rigs, the water on me bubbling, run off Holyhead, I wish myself was dead, better ford instead, on the rocky road to Dublin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, on the hare and turned her down the rocky road, and all the way to Dublin, Macklefandia. Well, in Mullingar at night I rested limbs so weary, woken by the light in the morning bright and early, took a drop of the pure to keep me heart from sinking, that's Paddy's cure, and when he's sick from to hear the lassie cry, laughing all the while, at my curious dance would send your heart to bubble and ask me, was I hard, wages I required, I was very tired of the rocky road to Dublin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I hunt a hare and turn her down the rocky road, and all the way to Dublin, Macklefandia. Well, the boys of Liverpool, and when we see the land, they call me a fool, I couldn't understand it, but began to boil temper, I was losing poor old Airdens, I they began abusing, I can't keep that going on night. Me boy, says I, my fist I'll apply. The Galway boys were buying, so I was a hobbling. With the loud hurrah, joined in the affray, quickly cleared the way for the rocky road to Dublin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hunt a hare and turn her down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin, Macklefandia. Hunt a hare and turn her down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin, Macklefandia. Hunt a hare and turn her down the rocky road, and all the way to Dublin. Wax till fall the earth.